Today we're going to go over distributive property again. So at the top, we're just going to decide if the person who set this up set it up correctly. So distributive property means to distribute what's on the outside to everything in parentheses. So this 9 should have been distributed to the 1. Did they do that? Yes. But it also should have been distributed to the 4. Did they do that? So did they do this one correct? No. Or false. No or false, same thing. All right. How about this one? Did they distribute this correctly? 15 to the 8 and 15 to the 3. Yes? Is the minus sign in the middle good? Yes, because there's a minus sign. So yes, they did this one correctly. All right, let's look at this one. I want y'all to say yes or no, and then we'll go over it. Okay, did they distribute the 6 to the 10 correctly?
Yes.
Did they distribute the 6 to the 3? No, they mixed up their numbers. This is not done correctly. How about this next one? You should be able to look at it right away and say what?
Yes. No.
Why no?
Because
They did not do 2 times 18. They put 18 by itself, so no. All right, let's go do some examples together. Okay, I'm going to distribute the 3 to the x and the 3 to the 5. 3 times x, bless you, 3 times x is?
3x.
Plus 3 times 5 is? Is there anything I can do to simplify this further? No. All right, how about this one? 6 times x is? Plus 6 times 2 is 12. All right, the next one, negative 2 times x is? Plus negative 2 times 9 is? All right, I want you to do these 3 on your own, and then we'll go check it together. Okay, don't work ahead, just do these 3. All right, negative 1 times x is negative 1x, plus negative 1 times 10 is negative 10. Yes? What should I have done on this one before I started so that I don't mess up? Change. 4 times x is 4x, plus 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. Okay, what should I have done over here? Change. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x, plus negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. Now, on last night's assignment, there was some that looked like this. What were you supposed to do with this negative? Distribute it to everything in the parentheses. So that's negative times x and negative times 2. Negative x plus negative 2. Yes? Okay. We're only going to do 2 of these. We're going to do the 2 on the left. I'm going to do the first one with you, and then you'll do this one on your own. How many terms are here? 4. So I'm going to list them. 2x, comma, 5, comma, x, comma, 1. Remember, terms are separated by adding and subtracting signs. Which terms are alike? 2x and x, comma, 5 and 1. A coefficient is the number attached to the variable. How many coefficients are there? There's two. There's two. I'm telling you there's two. This coefficient is what? 2. Do I write the x with it? No, that's not called a coefficient. That's called a term if I write the x with it. Comma. Does this have a coefficient? Yes. What is it? 1. The constants are the numbers by themselves. How many constants are there? 2. 5 and 1. Now you go do this one on your own. Don't forget subtraction signs. Give a number a what kind of value? Good. All right, the terms, 8x, 4, what did I have to write with the 3x? Negative 3x and 7. The like terms, 8x and negative 3x, 4 and 7. The coefficients, 8 and what? 3. And the constants, 4 and 7. All right. On the next part, simplify the expression. So on these, you're going to do distributive property, and then you're going to simplify even further by combining like terms. All right, what is going to be distributed? Is that a positive 12? A negative 12. And on the assignment last night, everybody look, you don't have to write this down. This problem might have looked like this. If I'm distributing this 12 and it has a minus sign in front of it, that 12 has what kind of value? Because if I go like this, it tells you that I'm distributing a negative 12. Okay? All right, so let's go distribute the negative 12. So I have 8x plus... What's negative 12 times x? Plus, what's negative 12 times 3?
Negative 36.
Negative 36. Am I done? No. I can do what? Combine like terms. So this term is like this term. What is 8 plus negative 12? So I have negative 4x plus negative 36. And that is as simplified as it gets. Could I have also written this negative 4x minus 36? Yes. All right, y'all try this one right here on your own. The first thing you should have done was change in the parentheses. Then you should have distributed the 5x to the x and the 5x to the negative 4. So I have 3 plus 6x, and I'm just going to leave that there, plus whatever I get for this. What is x times x? So I have 5x squared plus, what is 5x times negative 4? Now we're going to look for like terms. I can combine this, oh, what did I forget? I can combine this 6x with this negative 20x. Yes? Can I combine it with this x squared? No. If you made a mistake, do you see where you messed up? All right. Let's make sure we did it right. 3 plus 6x plus 5x squared plus negative 20x. Okay, we're good. Okay, so I've got, what is 6x plus negative 20x? Negative 14x. So I've got 3 plus 5x squared plus negative 14x. Does it matter if I wrote it in that order? Could I have changed up the order? Yes, all that matters is the 3 has a positive value, the 5x squared has a positive value, and the 14x has a, so other than that, it doesn't matter what order I did it in. All right, y'all try this one. Okay, you should have distributed the 2 to the x and the 2 to the 4. So 2x plus 8. Yes? Plus, I should have change right here. Now I have 7x times 4x. 7 times 4 is? And x times x is? X squared. Plus 7x times negative 6. Well, 7 times negative 6 is negative 42 with my x. And now what am I going to do? Like terms. So I have an x, and I have an x, and that's it, right? What is 2x plus negative 42x? Negative 40x. Okay, and then plus 8 plus 28x squared. Does it matter what order I put it in? No, what matters? That the 40 has a negative value, the 8 and 28 have a positive value. All right, let's look at the word problem. You are going to make necklaces using 2 different colors of stone beads. This is like the one we did on our assignment last night that I set up for y'all. So you're going to make a necklace, but you're going to have 2 different colors of stone beads. Stone A costs 7 cents per bead. Stone B costs 5 cents per bead. You need 50 beads total to complete the necklace. Now, try not to look at the equation. Like, cover it up. Let's see if we can do it on our own. Cover it up. I don't want y'all looking at it. How much were stone A? So for 7 cents. Now, what's our variable? It says, hold on. N is stone A. N is for stone A. So this is stone A, so I get to say 7 cents times N. Plus, how much are beads for stone B? 5 cents. I only get to use the variable N, but N represents this bead, right? Stone A. So if I have stone B right here, and I'm buying 50 total beads, then stone B is going to be 50 minus N. Because if I buy 50 total, then 50 minus stone A would give me how many I buy for stone B, yes? And that's my equation. Did we set it up correctly? What is C? Our answer, the cost. Then it says, find the total cost if you use 35 stone A beads. So this is A beads right here, yes? So I have 0.07 times 35 plus 0.05 times 50 minus 35, because that's how many beads we use. Can I just type this in my calculator? Do I have to use distributive property if I know the numbers? No, the calculator will do it for me. Just make sure you use your parentheses. So I'm in float 2. Let me get out. So 0.07 times 35 plus 0.05 times 50 minus 35. What's the total cost going to be? $3.20. Because we're talking about money. Sorry, that doesn't look very good, but $3.20. Okay, again, put your full first name and last name. If they use the variable A, then you use the variable A. Don't change it. Be careful on like number 5. This right here is just a multiplication sign. So you're just distributing the -8 to the -4. But what do I need to do right here? Change, and then the -8 to the -3n. On number 6, what would I do with these parentheses? You can't take parentheses off. What am I going to do with the parentheses first? Change. You cannot change the -b. Okay, you change the subtraction sign to plus negative. Okay, I don't see anything else I think is super confusing. All right, get busy. Make sure your answer is simplified the fullest it can simplify.